Welcome to my code YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to see top 10 Chrome developer tool secrets, which is very useful for web application developers. I have a simple web page to generate random number just to show you the secrets. Let's jump into the secrets. Number 1. Function definition in console. Sometimes you are supposed to view the code snippet of a JavaScript function which is called during an event. At that time, don't go to the IDE and search for the function. Just find the name of the function and paste it in console without circular bracket. You can easily view the function definition in console. Number 2. Take screenshot using a command. It is a very difficult job to take a screenshot of a certain area in a web page. Chrome Developer Tool has a cool option for you. Just select a node and open command box using Ctrl Shift P and search for node screenshot. In this way, you can save more time than cropping in snipping tool. Number 3. What you view is what you edit. Suppose you want to edit the website content for testing. Normally people used to inspect the element and edit it. Developer tool has some other option for you. Go to console and type document.designer mode equal to on. Now you can edit the web page as like you wish. Number 4. Live expression watcher. Have you ever noticed the I button on the top of the console? Click on it and enter the reference of any object or variable. Let me give the reference of this random string element. Now we can watch the live data change of this object. Number 5. Tune your internet speed. Sometimes performance testing requires a slow internet. How will you change the network speed? Developer tool provides you a feature to tune your internet option. Just change the network speed in the network tab. Now I am going to change it to slow 3G. Let me refresh it. It took 2 seconds to load my web application. Now I am going to change it to fast 3G. Now it is 573 millisecond. In normal speed, it loads in 7 millisecond. Number 6. Code coverage. Do you want to remove unused codes from your source file? Let's do a code coverage of my web page. Click Customize and Control DevTools option. Navigate to More Tools and click on Coverage. You will get a tab called Coverage. Just click on Start to record your code usage. I have two files, namely index.html and script.js. In index.html, 65% of code is unused, and in script, 98% of code is unused. Now let's test the application. You see that the values are changed. Let me open the script file. Yes, I have an unused function called do nothing, which is never called throughout my testing. Number 7. Console table. Developers often logs the JSON to check the data. By default, it will be prettified in console. Do you know that it can even be viewed as a table? Yes, you just give console.table. Now you can see the value in tabular format. Console has lot more verbose. You can log console.1, console.error, Number 8. Application audit. How will you ensure that your web page meets all the web standards? Let's check it for this application. Go to Lighthouse and click on Generate Report. It will validate your web page and provides you the report based on performance, accessibility, SEO. The scores will be in the percentage, and as you see, in this for this website, the performance percentage is 92 and SEO is 75. It reports all the errors or warnings in your application. So if you take the accessibility, it says that the color contrast is not in the correct ratio, and HTML doesn't have language attribute. It says that SEO in SEO category meta tag is not defined. Let's change it and then again we will generate the report. Let me add a meta tag in my web page. Let's generate the report once again. So now you can see that SEO score has been increased from 75 to 88. So in this way we can address all the errors and warnings reported by Chrome developer tools, and you can increase your application's performance. Number 9. CSS overview. This is an experimental feature. It will have all the information about your CSS. To enable it, go to settings, click on experiments, and enable CSS overview. You will get a tab called CSS overview. Just click on capture overview. Here you will get all the information about the CSS used in your web page. See here there are 21 elements, two external style sheets are used, and the colors which are used in this web page, and the font informations and unused declarations. So you can get all the information about CSS here. Number 10. Preserve logs. You see, network tab is used to monitor all the requests and responses. Whenever you do refresh or if you navigate to some other page, your previous request will disappear. To keep all the old requests, just enable the preserve log. That way you can preserve all the old logs in your network tab.